everything. What is skin? Here. What is superficial fascia? Fat. Contains the basalic cephalic veins or cutaneous lymphatics or cutaneous nerves. Good? Cutaneous yani hassasi to the skin. Good? Remove that. Remove the fascia. All remove. Clear? Now you start with the muscles. See here. This is the superficial group of flexors. This is the medial epicondyle of humerus. Here. Medial epicondyle of humerus. Here. From here, see this muscle. First, pronator teres, finish here. Okay. I cannot, if I am confused among the muscles, I must follow them for the tendon. If this muscle is here and I know the pronator teres does not go to the wrist, so it is finishing here, I can acutely remember pronator teres. Obad, flexor carpi radialis. Palmaris longus, it must go to the palm with the flexor retinaculum. So here it is palmaris longus. Okay? Go bad, flexor carpi ulnaris. This one. Again, pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor carpi ulnaris. I told you, remove them. Go tahat. So, remove them. Go tahat. This one. A part is visible when you even have this part is visible. Flexor digitorum superficialis. Remove this. This is flexor digitorum superficialis. All. So this is also superficialis because visible among the tendons. Go deep. Amik, tahat. Remove this. You must see two. One for the thumb, flexor pollicis. Longus. One for the digits, flexor digitorum profundus. See, this is a nerve on the muscle. So I told you median nerve is crossing between the flexor digitorum superficialis. Here is the nerve, here is the profundus. So see here now. Here is the flexor digitorum profundus, here is the superficialis, between them is the median nerve. Good? I told you for the deeper muscles, the median nerve can have a branch for the two deeper muscles, anterior interosseous nerve. The name is anterior interosseous nerve. Good? I will come to the nerves. First try to remember the muscle. Clear this one? Again. Pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor carpi ulnaris. This one. Good? Remove this, flexor digitorum superficialis. Remove collo, superficial and intermediate. You will go deep. Two muscles. Pollicis longus, flexor pollicis longus, flexor digitorum profundus. Median nerve, anterior interosseous nerve. Go back.
Is it clear the tendons for these muscles?
Yeah.
Three muscles.
Yes, see the tendon is formation here. If I remove, cut everything, you will find a tendon. May we find in the body. No problem. I will reach it. Then, I told you, start from here. The lateral compartment. The first one, brachioradialis. Finish here. See the tendon. You can follow very nicely the tendon is finishing here. Okay? Brachioradialis. Obad. Two muscles. Extensor carpi radialis longus or hasa brevis. See the tendon is here. Okay? See the tendon is going. Another tendon. See like this. One tendon, another. Okay? So, brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis. Go back. See, four tendons. 1, 2, 3, 4. All this extensor digitorum. Good? See, two bad. 1 or 2. Extensor digitorum, bad. Extensor digiti minimi, bad. Extensor carpi ulnaris. If you still go, you will reach the border of the ulna, and this is the landmark for the flexor from this side, extensor from this side. So don't confuse, this is not an extensor. Anything in the extensor, this is extensor retinaculum. Got Shabab? Understanding? Again I will go, no problem. Brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus or brevis. Yani extensor carpi radialis brevis. Go back. See, this is the deep muscle coming from deep. So wait. Go superficial first. Try to make your orientation like this. See 4 tendons. 1, 2, 3, 4. This extensor digitorum. Ubad, extensor digiti minimi. Ubad, extensor carpi ulnaris. Extensor retinaculum. Flexor retinaculum. Good? Now, nerves. First we will do here, then I will shift to the body to make you very clear picture. Here is the brachial plexus. So, if I don't know where is the ulnar nerve, how should I reach it? Yeah, land up on the medial epicondyle first of all. So reach, here is the medial epicondyle. Any nerve going back and visible, bad, is the ulnar nerve. Good? So here is the ulnar nerve. If I am not sure in exam which one of this is the ulnar nerve, so try to find from here, try to find from this ulnar, inside, behind the epicondyle, here is ulnar, so trace it like this to the maximum point where you can go. Good? So here is the ulnar nerve. This is the ulnar nerve. What is the route? From here, behind the medial epicondyle, it will go, come in front. Which front area? Sorry. The flexor, thank you. The flexor compartment. So, is it a nerve of this more or hand more? It's a nerve of hand more. So, it is having very less branches, and alatul in the hand, it will make many branches. But it will give two muscles. Flexor carpi ulnaris, this one, very near to it. And flexor digitorum profundus, here, very near to it. Only two medial slips. If I am not sure about the median nerve, I must see the median nerve in the cubital fossa as a middle very big structure with the artery. So this is the median nerve. If I am still not sure where is the origin, I must go back, see median root of median nerve, lateral root of median nerve. Got Shabab? So here is the median nerve. In the cubital fossa, go tahat, here. Between flexor digitorum superficialis and profundus, like the ulnar. So here is superficialis, here profundus. Cross. This is, see, sathai or superficial to the flexor retinaculum, ulnar. See deep, go tahat for the flexor retinaculum. This is the difference. If the injury is here for the flexor retinaculum or compression, the compression will cause damage to median nerve, or cut is more superficial, sathai, is likely to damage the ulnar nerve. Good, Shabab? Understanding? Visible? Okay, clear now? Here, median nerve, it's anterior interosseous branch. See the arteries on the front. Axillary, abad brachial. In the cubital fossa, brachial divide in two. A radial on the thumb. Here is the radial pulse I feel in the patient. See here the radial divide in two. The actual radial artery is this one. It goes here and back. See here. Yes, go on the back. See this depression?
Okay.
This depression is called anatomical snuff box. So from here, artery goes inside the box. Obad, cross and come from here, come in front. From here, it will go again and come in front of the palm. Don't worry, in the palm we will see this. One palmar branch goes superficial. So one palmar branch goes superficial. Go Shabab? Again, axillary, brachial, divide into radial. Go back, this structure, anatomical snuff box. Here, superficial palmar branch. See here, the other one, ulnar. And see, this is the branch from ulnar. This is called common interosseous. For the small time is common interosseous. It divides in two. One above the interosseous membrane, anterior interosseous. One below the interosseous membrane, posterior interosseous. So here I will see anterior interosseous artery is a branch of common interosseous, is a branch of ulnar, is a branch of brachial. Again, alatul for ulnar. Axillary, brachial, in the cubital fossa divide into radial, ulnar. Ulnar comes, alatul goes like this. Abad has one branch here, common interosseous, a very small. After this common interosseous, divide in two. Interosseous membrane, anterior interosseous, posterior interosseous. Good? See back. If I remove all the structures, I will see here is the spiral groove. So here is the radial nerve. Radial nerve. Come in front, and Bad remains as cutaneous for the hand. All muscle branches here for the radial. I cannot remove, it has a deep branch here, posterior interosseous. Okay? Now I will go to the body, try to find as many as muscle. It is not mandatory to find everyone, because the models or even the bodies, sometimes they are damaged or mishandled by the staff or someone. Then we can have some degree of okay. Put it here. Yeah. Okay. Bismillah. Try to identify where we are. Don't confuse yourself. Take your time. So, if I put it like this, the life is easy. Okay? If I put it like this, the life is easy. Don't be confused. Oh, what is this? Leave them aside. First, try to shift them to their original position, where it is going, naturally. Okay?
Hopefully this one will not come any.
It must come. Okay? But the things which are very clear, we should ask only.
Yeah.
Think like this. So here is a group of superficial muscle which are no more. Here I can at least find pointer teres, the first one.
Okay.
Abad. If there are tendons, I can find. I cannot find any tendon. So leave it. If they are available here, I will do, or available there, I will do for you. I think this may has some good muscles. Not even. Yeah, please hold this for me. Thank you. Make the life easy first. Okay? This is your life. So here is the superficial muscles. If you can name them as much as, it's good. See here. See. Can I see the pointer teres? No. It must finish here. I cannot see. May be damaged. So I must see the first one here going. This one. How I find? I find like this. Okay? So this is flexor carpi radialis. Going to the palm. The second one. This one. Palmaris longus. Flexor carpi ulnaris. If I cut them, go tahat. Flexor digitorum superficialis. Not visible. Very good pointer teres here. From here to here, pointer teres. All other superficial, yes, I can find. Flexor, only I can find the tendon. See here.
Okay.
Flexor carpi radialis. See, palmaris longus. Okay? See here, superficial and deep, they are confused. So don't go for them. Okay, I cannot shift them. So, however, I can see some muscles here. So the first one here in the bulk. If I say this is brachioradialis, I am wrong because it is in the flexor part. So this bigger one is the brachioradialis. Go back. Brachioradialis. Radial nerve. Brachioradialis. Extensor carpi radialis longus. Brevis. Maybe under it, no problem. So here are the deep muscles, forget them for a while. Try to find extensor digitorum, see many tendons, extensor digitorum. Abad, extensor digiti minimi, extensor carpi ulnaris. If I go here, flexor carpi ulnaris. 3 deep here, abductor pollicis longus, see the first tendon. Extensor pollicis brevis. Abad, tahat, extensor pollicis longus. So 3. They are going to make the boundary of this structure, anatomical snuff box. Abductor pollicis longus here or 2 here. Abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus. Okay. Try to find some nerves here. Leave it. This is good for nerves. See here. If I say this, Akid median nerve.
Okay.
In the midline. In the midline. Good?
Good.
If I have to find the ulnar nerve, see on the back. From here, go back, come in front. So, yes, here I can find it. See the pathway. Very nicely it's coming up. So, this is the ulnar nerve. This is the ulnar artery. This is the radial artery. See here, I told you it goes back and the superficial palmar branch remains in front. And here is Akid the brachial artery, the bigger one, brachial artery. Small branches, anastomosing or muscular branches, you may be visible. Here, yes, some muscles are visible, we can name them. Here, brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus or brevis. Good. See here, here, here. Go back. They are coming from here deep. Leave them. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 tendons. Very good, nicely separable. See going here. Extensor digitorum. Ubad. Extensor digiti minimi. Ubad. Extensor carpi ulnaris. Ubad. Here is the flexor compartment. So flexor carpi ulnaris. Khalas shabab? Understand?
What's in between this?
Where? This one?
No.
This is yes, this is the combined tendon. This is cut from, was a whole muscle here. So 4 tendons, 1, 2, 3, 4. So up till this level is the extensor digitorum, above extensor digiti minimi. See here extensor retinaculum.
Extensor carpi ulnaris.
Extensor carpi ulnaris, the last one in this region. Here, this one. Extensor digiti, see, extensor digitorum, extensor digiti minimi, extensor carpi ulnaris. Good?
Good.
Doctor,
Thank you.
This nerve?
Which one?
No.
Back?
Yes, this one.
Where? One on the deeper aspect. One on the deeper aspect is the radial nerve. And all this is maybe one of the musculocutaneous or some else. This is coming from front. This is not the radial nerve.
No, I'm talking about this.
Yes, the radial nerve. And with a posterior deep branch, posterior interosseous. Good, Shabab?
Good.
Understand something?
Sure.
Yeah.
Good. So one can take attendance on a plain paper. The one who is mawjood. Or if this paper is for you,
That's
this B wala hai.
B.
That's all the stuff?
That's all.
Thanks.
What is the time?
خلاص دكتور.
خلاص.